If you are looking for the first order discount at Hostinger, then watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you on how you can get the first order discount at Hostinger while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be entitled to exclusive special page like this, where you can see Hostinger premium deal as a prime deal. If you scroll below, you can see about Hostinger reviews on other websites. Then you can see there are three popular plans, but in case if you want other plan, you can simply select hosting and select any plan. But if you ask me, these three plans are amazing and gonna fulfill and majority of your features requirements. So scroll below, do your research, because they almost cover everything like WordPress installation, one click WordPress acceleration. You are getting free website migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. You're also getting WooCommerce, a lot of emails, storage, backup facilities, and a lot of features functions, like even you can host e-commerce websites, you can get DDoS protection, like ample of features you are getting with this plan. So simply select any plan, and that they also have data centers all around in the world, and they provide maximized websites with their light speed web server technology, which is at least 3 times faster if you compare hostinger with their competitors. And then if you look around on their plans, let's say we are going with the premium plan, simply select the add to cart. You can select any plan, and I'm going to tell you how you can get first order discount. So once you select the add to cart, make sure to click on the link in the description if you want the special discount. You can see the summary over here. Now choose a billing period. Because it's a first time order, I'm going to recommend you to offer the 48 months, because that is the bargain over here. But you can also offer the 24 months as well, and 12 months as well, but do not offer the 1 month, because 1 month is a very expensive option over here. And for the recurring option, I believe that a 24 or 48 months is an amazing option. So my recommendation is to offer the 24 or 48 months plan. Once you select your billing period, you can also offer the 12 months plan as well. You can scroll below and you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID or synchronize with a Google or Facebook account. And then scroll below, select payment method. Hostinger offers various payment methods. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you simply write this, simply select the apply button, and you're going to see that a price got a further discount. This is a discount, and already running discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use, which is with the name of HI10. You can also find this in the description of this video along with a special discount link, and you're going to see that a price got a further discount. So enjoy your hosting with hosting, and make sure to use these coupon codes to get an exclusive first time discount for Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger.